Hello everyone, I am Ranjitha, design team member at CrafTangles. This is my first time to join this wonderful team and I am here today to share the unboxing of my design team kit of goodies. I have already opened my box with a lot of excitement and here are the goodies I received. Starting with 12x12 cardstock. This is classic smooth white and it is 300 GSM. This is a pack of 10 sheets and is ideal for cards, stamping, blending, etc. I prefer using them for my card base and also for blending my inks onto it and for stamping as well. Next, I have this 6" by 6" paper pack. It is a pack of 24 sheets and is 160 GSM and it has 12 different designs. I will quickly show you a flip through of this. This pack is called the Aged Roses and it has got this beautiful roses all over with a vintage design here. I'll quickly show you the flip through. You can see how beautiful these papers are. They will look very beautiful on your card backgrounds as well, and you can also use them for your scrapbooking and other layouts. Next, I have some stencils. These are 6" by 6" stencils. I have the designs Art Deco and then Simply Chevron, Floral Heart. As you can see, the stencil size is quite big and you can not just use them for background, but you can also use them for selective coloring, and many more ideas are popping out as I see these stencils. Next, I have round lace. This can also be used as a mandala. And then the swirly circle. Next, I have these steel border dies. This is the stitched scallop. You can make beautiful borders to your pattern paper and also for your card bases as well using this die. Now let's see the stamps that I have. I have this People of India. This is a 6" by 4" stamp set. Very high-end quality photopolymer stamps. And then I have festive lights. And then I have this entire set of zodiac signs. This set is called the horoscopes. They come in a set of 12 stamps and each measure 3 inches by 2 inches. You can also buy them individually. Very beautifully and intelligently designed cute stamp sets. You can make quick birthday cards according to the zodiac sign. This is a very unique stamp set and I can't really wait to lay my hands and create something with this beautifully designed stamp set. And lastly, I have this pack of 3 blending brushes. They're used to blend your inks on your card bases. So this was my DT kit. I hope I will put all these products to good use and bring in loads of inspiration for you. If you like any of these products, don't forget to check out the links in the description below. Thank you so much for stopping by.